Today I'm going to compare two different mascaras. One from Wet n Wild and one from Maybelline. The Wet n Wild is called the Big Poppa and the Maybelline is called Sky High. So if you want to see what my first impressions are of these two mascaras, just keep watching. I'm going to compare the Maybelline Sky High Mascara, and this is what it looks like. I'm going to pull it out of here. Well, it's really pretty packaging. I love the color pink, and you can get it at Ulta. I actually got it on my local drugstore, Rite Aid. At Ulta, this costs $11.49. And the Big Poppa by Wet n Wild, I've never heard of this one. I just happened to stop by at my Rite Aid and I seen this and I thought, wow, that looks intriguing, so I'm going to give it a try. And I've been wanting to get the Maybelline because I heard some good things about it, and I thought, well, I'm going to go ahead and try that. So I thought, well, might as well grab this and do a comparison. So I hope you're interested in this and seeing what they're like. I know I am. Okay, let's get it open. They package these quite tightly. This is really cute. Looks like it's got an hourglass brush, the Big Poppa. And this is what this brush looks like. Oh, that's really nice. It's like an hourglass brush. Not much smell. I like to smell a mascara. I don't know. Call me weird. I just love the smell of it. Okay, I'm going to tell you what Ulta website says about these real quickly. The Maybelline is called the Last Sensational Sky High Mascara, and it runs $11.49 on the Ulta website. Sky High Lash Impact from every angle. Maybelline's Last Sensational Sky High Mascara delivers full volume and limitless length. Exclusive Flex Tower Mascara brush bends to volumize and extend every single lash from root to tip. Washable mascara formula infused with bamboo extract and fibers for long, full lashes. I'm going to go ahead and do one on one eye and one on the other. But before I do that, let's read about the Wet n Wild Big Poppa. Bigger is better. The Big Poppa mascara is the biggest and baddest of them all. This outrageously volumizing, dramatically lengthening, and intensively black mascara. It is infused with castor oil, and it even makes the slightest of lashes stand front and center. Wet n Wild added castor oil because stronger is better. So nourish those lashes with omega-6 fatty acids and essential proteins as you boost them from the hourglass shaped brush. I'm going to put the Big Poppa mascara from Wet n Wild on this side. And did I curl my lashes? I think I did. I think I curled my lashes already. It's a nice thick formula. And I do like putting on a couple coats, but this is the first coat. And what I do on my bottom lash, I just take the tip and just go on them with the tip of the brush so I don't get it all over, because I'm not very talented and I'll get it on my nose. So that's what we're going to do. one coat of that. Meanwhile, I'll go ahead and start my other lash with the Sky High Mascara from Maybelline, and here is the brush to that one. It's a flexible brush, so that's kind of neat. I have used this one other time and I really liked it. I've been wanting to do this video just to see for myself what I thought of the difference. Because one's $5.99, one's $11.49. It's not a big price difference, but if you're on a budget, it's always nice to find the least expensive that works just as well. But they're both very reasonable. Alright, go ahead and do the bottom lashes. That is one coat. So far, I'm liking them both. I don't know which one I like better. We'll see. Of course, it always depends too on how it lasts. All right, another coat. Oh, drying down pretty quickly. I'm telling you though, I'm really liking this Wet n Wild. I don't usually use Wet n Wild's mascara, but they do have really nice makeup products. It is a thick formula. Oh wow, that looks nice. That's two coats, and I could stop at that with that mascara. Now let's try another coat of Maybelline. This is much different. It's a thinner consistency. It is lengthened and nice. I'm getting more volume on this one, so I guess it depends on what you want. So I am liking, so far, from my preference, I'm liking the looks of the Wet n Wild better. But this is pretty too. It's a toss-up. So that is two coats on each eye. I'm going to do another one just for good measure, because I usually do use at least 3 coats, just because I like to be over and above and beyond. I love for my eyelashes look really full and thick and long. I'm not much for wearing eyelashes, so I cake on my mascara. And also I wear glasses, so those eyelashes love to touch my lens. That looks dramatic. I'm loving it. Oh, I forgot to smell this one. Just smells like a mascara. Not very strong. Okay, this one. This is the third one. This is much thinner. Uh-oh, I got a little boo-boo right there. We'll fix that in a second. That's because I got carried away. That happens. Three coats. Let me clean this up real quick. A little Q-tip. And I just hope this is dry. If not, I'll smudge it, but usually I wait till it's dry. Yeah, it dries down really fast. Alright, there is Wet n Wild, and this is a Maybelline. So what do you think? Which one do you like better on me? Let me know in the comments. I appreciate it. And if you're enjoying this video, please give me a like. Also, I like it if you subscribe. And don't forget to smash that bell so you will be notified when I have another video up. And also comment. What do you think? And also share this video. I like them both. Boy. I can't decide. I can't decide. I think they're very nice. It just depends what you're going for. Now, this is first impression. Well, actually, this is second impression on this one. And I was quite pleased when I wore the Maybelline. It lasts all day. In fact, the evening it was still there. So we're going to see about the Wet n Wild. But at the end of this video, before I go take it off tonight, I'll go ahead and hopefully remember to tell you my final thoughts. It's been about 4 hours since I put the mascaras on, and I checked it, and they've held up quite nicely. They haven't fallen. I still have my curl. This side with the Wet n Wild is a little thicker, but the formula is thicker. But this side is gorgeous too. So I'm quite happy with these. And I like them pretty much equally. Just that this one, it seems like it's a little longer, more separated, where this one is a little fuller, if you know what I mean. Yeah, so hope you can see a little closer. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and you don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Like this video, smash that bell to be notified when I upload my next video, and comment. Alright everyone, I will see you in my next video. Bye! Rosie, come here! You have not said hi in a long time. Come say hi. Oh yes. This is Rosie. Say hi. Say hi everybody. She's my love bug. She loves to kiss on me. This is Daddy's girl, but she's Mama's girl too. Where's your sister, Hazel? Where's Hazel? Oh, she's down in the bed. Oh, we'll just say hi and bye from Rosie tonight. All right, again. Say bye. Oh, will you hug me, Mama? She wanted to say hi too, didn't you? I said, well, yeah, I think so, Mom. She's groaning. It's just about their bedtime, so they're getting tired. Hi.